Play with AI language models for learning English. Hi there, welcome to the Life Skills Green. In this modern age of artificial intelligence, you have the advantage of being able to learn any language just by giving it prompts or instructions, and you see the magic happens in seconds. Here, let me clarify that I am not for or against this smart automation technology, but it surely is helping in language learning. The English language is getting bigger and bigger with each passing day, and so is automation. English is ballooning, and AI is getting better, faster, and smarter as well. You can speed up your learning journey with the help of these chatbots. Now here I have some methods to share with you so that how you can get help from these online large language models like chatbots. I have some methods that I want to share with you here. First thing is that whatever you text and these chatbots give you the reply. They give you the reply promptly. Whatever you have any questions, whether you want to know any English words, synonyms, antonyms, or you want to use a specific word in example sentences in that way, or you have any kind of question, so these chatbots, these AI tools give you the answers. And the second method is that whatever you have written on your notebook or on a screen, that you want to get evaluation on your write-up, or you need to get feedback, whatever you have written, whether it is a letter, a story, poem, or any kind of or essay. So you want to evaluate, you need to get feedback on your this written material, and you just paste on these AI tools your written work, and they will give you the rating. Okay, so what quality is your that write up. In that way you can evaluate, you get feedback on your written assignment, your writing task. In that way you can improve your writing skills. Lastly, I inform you here that whether you want to improve your conversational English by having conversation, to improve your speaking skills in English, you can have live conversation with ChatGPT, especially ChatGPT. The ChatGPT has that facility that you can have conversation the whole day. In that way you can improve your speaking skills in English by having conversation whenever you have free time, because many people, if you want to find any person, so everyone is busy these days. Okay, people may not give you the enough time and the right time that you can have conversation with live human being, but this ChatGPT can have conversation with you all day and night whenever you are free. So keep practicing speaking English with this platform. I hope this lecture is going to be helpful in your English learning journey. Talk soon.